Crypto Beaners, back with another in-depth technical analysis. We're going to jump straight into this video, straight into the charts. We're going to hit Dogelon Mars, and then go ahead and I want to show you another stock that I'm watching right now. I might just save that for the Patreon. If you haven't joined the Patreon, there's only 2 spots left. I don't know when I will be opening more spots. It will not be next month. September, no. So it will probably be early October. So if you want real-time buy and sell alerts and don't have time to watch the charts, check it out. Links in the description. Join the Patreon. There are, I believe, 2 spots left. Cap of 15, and there's currently 13 people in. So you better get it while you can. We have just broken below those $20,000 levels. Look at that. Let's drop down to these 2 hourly candles and see what we're looking at, my friends. We're consolidating around these $20,000 levels. Oh man. Please go back and watch the previous videos if you haven't, because we have been waiting for this moment to drop down to these $20,000 levels. We saw this upward trend line and it just seemed pretty unnatural. And this is the natural move, okay? This is very natural because it allows for the weak investors, the weak hands, the paper hands to get out before moving higher. Crypto Fear and Greed Index is 28 yesterday. It was a 28. And it was a 25 earlier, I believe. 28, 28, 27, and then Fear last month. So we are heading back down. However, we are holding up much better than I thought we were going to be holding up. I thought we'd be around the under the 25 levels at this point in time, as Bitcoin is hitting this $20,000 level. So what do we need to watch? We want to watch this consolidation range. Let's grab this horizontal line. Want to watch the top and the bottom of this consolidation range. Support and resistance. If it breaks through the bottom, then we need to watch this $19,231 level. And if it breaks through the top, we got to watch this $20,760 level, short term. Those are the short term points of resistance and support, my friends. Let's get straight into Dogelon Mars. It's confusing. All right, here we go. Dogelon Mars up 2% today. It's beautiful. It's amazing. We are down, okay? As we can clearly tell, we are in the slumps right now. So what's the best thing to be doing right now? Averaging in, okay? Don't average in your complete portfolio, because we could drop lower if Bitcoin goes down to those $17,000 levels. Will it? Will it? We shall see, okay? I can't make a wise prediction on that just because the price action is not there yet. However, if we break higher with weak volume, that could very well be a fake out. So it breaks higher, comes back down, and drops back down to these $17,000 levels, which are lower around here. Okay, and if that happens, what does that mean for Dogelon Mars? That means Dogelon Mars will come back down to these 2 levels and possibly even do these 1.5 levels, okay? If that happens, the best thing to do is accumulate as much as possible. If it gets into those 1 levels, by the time we're back up to here, that's 100% gain. So it's very, very important to take advantage of that opportunity if we do get lucky enough to see that and seize that opportunity. Because you have to realize, all of you who are following this channel right now are very in tune with what's going on with Dogelon Mars. Most people just forgot about this coin by now, okay? They just see it as another meme coin because it's down in the slumps. But they don't know. They don't know what's going to happen. So, if Bitcoin does catch some nice resistance around these $20,220 levels and then heads back down to this support around these $19,000 levels, Dogelon Mars should indeed come back down to at least these 2 levels. If we get lucky, it'll hit into these 1 levels, okay? 1 levels. And if we hit into these 1 levels, we need to be accumulating as much as possible, because we'll be able to buy so much for a fraction of the price that we have ever seen before. Unless you invested before October 11, 2021, you have not seen prices this low since then. So it's very important to take advantage of that. Let's go ahead and zoom in to these 2 hourly candles and see what we're rocking with here. Now, it doesn't seem like there's too much volume. We did see a little spike here and then a dip afterwards, coming to this resistance line here. Saw some more volume spike a little bit here. What we want to see is another volume spike like this, pushing higher, breaking through these 3s right here, and then hitting this resistance around these 3-4s. Okay, if we can see that, it's very bullish. But in order for us to see that, we need to see Bitcoin also move higher, because Dogelon Mars won't move higher if Bitcoin is not moving higher alongside. If Bitcoin is dropping and Dogelon Mars is moving higher, that is a discrepancy in the markets, and it's something we definitely need to watch. Definitely we need to watch closely, because that has not happened ever since the first time I've been watching this coin every single day, and I have never seen that happen. They have always moved side by side together. If Bitcoin goes up, Dogelon Mars goes up. If Bitcoin goes down, Dogelon Mars goes down. And this is a perfect example of the percentage Dogelon Mars moves up in compared to Bitcoin. So we are up 0.23% on Bitcoin. Dogelon Mars is up 2.14%. So this is the difference between a major coin and an altcoin. Altcoins can move a lot more than a bigger coin with a bigger market cap can. Bitcoin is currently at 383 billion. That's massive compared to Dogelon Mars. Dogelon Mars at a 158 million. Okay, that's major difference. So that being said, that's all I have for you guys today. I'm currently in Orlando on another road trip. I'm just kind of hanging out with some friends. We're working on some business down here. About to go out and do some stuffs and things. But I hope you guys are doing good. I hope you guys are staying tight in the markets. I do have another coin that I want to show you, or a stock. It's not a coin, it's a stock that is very important right now. But those are for all you Patreon holders. All you Patreon people, I have already notified you on what that stock is. So if you want to know what that stock is, click the link in the description. There's only 15 spots available, and 13 of them are taken up. I believe it might even be 14 by now. But I will not be opening spots until the beginning, August, September of October. So all next month, it's done, okay? And to make this even more exclusive, if you leave the Patreon, you are never allowed back, okay? Crypto Bean is 69. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Have a beautiful, blessed day. Make some money. And I'll catch you guys whenever we go to Mars, because it's happening soon. Peace.